Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact seller on AliExpress. Go to AliExpress on your device, and here what you want to do is find specific seller, and to do that you should find product that you want to order and go to its description by tapping on it. And here at the bottom you should see this messaging icon that looks like this, and here this is basically private messages to that store, and here in this box you can ask your question to the seller. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.